This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, BMW Apps, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a pass-through rear seat, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.